Man, this lawnmower is trash. I wish there was a way I could get it like really clean.
Why get it really clean and when you can get it super clean?
Wait a minute. Who said that?
No, over here, over here. What's going on, guys? As you can see, the sun is in my face. Hold on, let me try this again. What's going on, guys? As you can see, my mower is dirty. And if y'all know me, I am infamous for not cleaning my mowers. It's not nothing that I have against my mowers. Like I always say, it's a lawnmower. It's not a Mercedes-Benz. So as long as I keep the deck and everything under the bottom clean and blades sharp, I don't really care how the outside looks. So this is kind of the perfect opportunity for me to try to clean my mower. This will be my first time actually trying to clean my mower, get it back to that brand new state. I was lucky enough to get some good cleaning products, a lot of cleaning products. I don't even know what to do with them because I don't clean my mowers. But super clean. I'm showing you this right here. The cool thing about this, off top, right? If y'all can see right here, I hope y'all can read this. Get my face out the screen. It has light duty, medium duty, heavy duty, and super duty. And so basically you fill the chemicals up that you want up to that line, and then you fill it the rest of the way up to the top line with water, and that's how you measure it. You know what I mean? I think I'm going with the super duty. So first thing I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a hose to this bad boy. I'm gonna spray it down and see if I can get most of this debris off. Then we're gonna start scraping all this caked up leaves and stuff on there. Cause I gotta overhaul this thing. I gotta give it an oil change. I know it's caked up leaves and grass under the bottom. Gotta sharpen the blades. So I said, since I'm doing all that, I'm gonna go ahead and overhaul it. So first I'm gonna hit it with a nice good hose, and then we're gonna hit it with some super clean. Yes, sir. Alright people, so I went ahead and I didn't go to the super line, I did the heavy duty line. Like I said, I don't know how strong this stuff is, so I didn't want to go too hard, but I'm using the foam. Let me show y'all which one I'm using. I went with this one, the foaming. You got a couple of different kinds. This is like a wheel kind. I went with the foaming kind. Put it in here, we're gonna see how this goes. So basically, as you saw what I did, I just sprayed it down with the hose. It still has a lot of dirt and grime, and then I used my leaf blower to kind of blow off any excess water. So what I am going to do, oh yeah, it's all dirty in there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it down with this stuff. So, and I'm gonna do it two different ways. I'm gonna do it the lazy man's way, which you know is my way, which is I'm gonna spray it down with this stuff, and then I'm gonna spray hit it with the hose again. See how this stuff really attacks this dirt without even wiping it or anything. And then from there, if I feel like I need to go ahead and get a towel or something, brush and scrub it down, I spray some more stuff on it. So like I said, first, let's see if we get it up here. Yeah, we're gonna spray all this grease and grime, let this super foam do its thing, leave it on there for a few minutes, and then spray it off, and we're gonna see what happens. I'll put some more on there, but yeah, let me get two hands so I can do this thing properly. I know the people at Super Clean got their fingers crossed right now. They like, man, we made this stuff to clean some dirty things, but we don't know about this, so they probably hoping that this thing cleaned at least half of this dirt. If any of this dirt comes off, I will be 100% surprised, which I think it will. So let's find out. All right, my hose is my nozzle, my spray gun on my thing is messed up. So let's see what it does. See what it does. Look at that. I don't want to get my camera wet. Oh my. Yo. See y'all see this? Yo. Do y'all see that? Crazy, bro. Crazy. This is banana. I guess that's a little tough stuff. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this is every lazy man's dream right here, bro. Let me show y'all this. Now I just sprayed off this little shield piece right here, bro. I didn't expect half of that stuff to come off, and it's left with this, and I'm pretty sure if I rub my finger across it, all I gotta do is take a little towel and that will come off. But that's crazy, just from spraying it with a regular hose. I ain't need no power washer, no nothing. So now, let me show y'all this over here before. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did. I had this soaking for about 5-10 minutes. Now we're gonna spray this bad boy down. And we're gonna see what we get. I'm interested on this side right here. That's the side I'm interested in the front. Alright, let's get to it. Alright people, here is the first spray down. I want to show y'all what the first spray down look like. And like I said, I didn't expect it to get everything. And I'm pretty sure most of this stuff, like I said, well, that's needs a little squirt up there, but most of the stuff came off with the spray. Like I said, this is the side I was interested in. Got most of that off. The front part is the dirtiest. The back part wasn't as dirty.
Look at these wheels. Y'all remember the wheels came, and mind you, this is just spraying with the hose. I haven't even wiped it down yet, so I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna hit it with one more time with the spray, and we're gonna wipe this bad boy down and see what it look like. Yeah. As you can see, super clean work, did the job quite well, if I might say. Like I said, see that towel hanging over there? That's all I used. I sprayed most of the dirt off, and then I just sat down in the chair, took my time, wiped the rest of the dirt off, came right off with the towel. Big shout out to Super Clean for sending me out these materials. Floor absorbent, tire clean. I'm definitely gonna wash my truck one day, probably make a video for that. Let me know if you want to see that video. But they didn't have to do it, but they did, and I'm thankful for it. Second shout out is to my cuter batuta at the beginning of this video. She been begging me for years to start a YouTube channel, so we just started a YouTube channel. She got 3 videos up. Link is in the description. Please go over and follow her channel. She'll be posting more kids and family-oriented videos. We just went to King's Dominion and we filmed a vlog there. So if you have kids and they watch YouTube, which is pretty much all kids, it's something you might want to check out. Support your boy. Just subscribe and support your boy. Support my little cuter batuta. And thanks for watching. Yes, sir.